In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your calendar with Pipedrive, a fantastic way to keep all your appointments and tasks organized in one place. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, ensure that you're already signed into your Pipedrive account and have the login credentials handy for the calendar you want to connect, whether it's Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. This step is crucial, as you'll need these details to link your account seamlessly. Once you're all set, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the settings in Pipedrive. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll spot your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Personal Preferences. Great, now you're in the Personal Preferences section. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Calendar Sync and click on it. This is where the magic happens. It's where you'll connect your calendar to Pipedrive. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Account. Go ahead and click that button. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your calendar provider. Take a moment here to input the correct email. After that, you'll need to select your primary calendar, the one you typically use for work. This is important because it helps Pipedrive to pull in the right events and appointments from the calendar you use the most. Once you've added your account and selected your primary calendar, the next step is to grant permission for Pipedrive to access your calendar. You'll likely receive a prompt from your calendar provider asking you to allow Pipedrive to read, add, and update your events. This step is crucial because it enables Pipedrive to sync your calendar effectively. Take a moment to review the permissions. It's good practice to ensure you're comfortable with what you're granting access to. Then go ahead and allow the access. And that's it. You've successfully synced your calendar with Pipedrive. Now you can easily manage your events from within the Pipedrive interface. This synchronization means you won't miss important appointments. It can help keep you on track with your tasks, and it greatly simplifies your workflow by combining your calendar and Pipedrive activities in one streamlined view. If you want to make the most out of this integration, take some time to explore other features that Pipedrive offers, such as reminders or notifications for your events. This can enhance your productivity even further. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that if you ever encounter any issues while syncing your calendar, don't hesitate to consult the Pipedrive Help Center or reach out to their support team. They can provide more detailed assistance to help you through any hiccups you might face. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide on how to sync your calendar with Pipedrive useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy organizing!